Here is a quick lesson on what to do if your supply line starts leaking. So you have this white piece here that screws onto the fill valve, right? And it drips. So you should replace the cone washer. That is this little black washer right here, which is what would be causing the leak. Now, here are a couple things you shouldn't do. You should not put plumber's tape on the threading of the fill valve. That doesn't really do much of anything on plastic threading like this, and it just makes it more difficult to remove the stuff later. And you absolutely should not glue the supply line onto the fill valve. That's just plain stupid. Who would even ever think of doing that? Well, someone did both of those things to this one right here. It is glued and it has plumber's tape on it. I guess you can't really expect much intelligence from a person who lets their toilet get to looking like that. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut between the two nuts on this fill valve, and I will show you how that works out. So that is off. It is glued in place. So now we can just take that nut and unscrew it the rest of the way like you normally would and pull the fill valve right out. And of course, you'll have to replace this now since it is not long enough to work. Awesome.